In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change chat theme on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap right here to go to your chats list, and after that just get into some conversation. Once you are in some conversation, tap right here at the very top at conversation's name or at contact's name, and that's where we can easily find theme. If we tap on it, we'll be able to change it to any theme from that list. In this way, we can just select theme, and then if we go back to our conversation, we can see that the theme has already been set. In the same way, we can change it to any other theme.